Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I will be providing a review of this particular chair, which is called as IKEA Pello, Pello. So this is one of the best chair which IKEA sell. The quality of the chair, the quality of the cushion, the quality of the wood which is used in this chair is really good. And I am using this chair from last 1 year. I purchased it for around in USD it is around $49 almost. So in Indian currency I would say around 3,000 rupees to 3,500 rupees. I do not recollect it exactly, but I will give that in the description somewhere. And this chair is being used mostly by my wife. While feeding, even while she was pregnant, she was able to rest over here by sitting here. She was feeling very comfortable, and even while feeding as well, she told me that it is quite comfortable for her. And yeah, this is a good chair, guys. Whenever you are if you are going to IKEA and finding this chair in a relatively lesser price, you definitely go ahead and purchase this one. I would say it's a good suggestion from my side, as I am using this chair from last 1 year. I would definitely suggest it. Once what happened with this chair is I noticed this chair was little bit shaking actually. So right now, see, it is not shaking. Even I noticed it was shaking. So what I did is I checked the screws fitted over here. There are few screws over in the left side and the right hand side, and even here and near to the armrest. And the screws were little bit loose actually, so it got loosened. So I don't know why. Maybe because we were trying to use it more often. So I would suggest do check these screws regularly, maybe even every 6 months. Why I will suggest that? Because if the screws will get loosened and you will keep on using the chair for a long time, this screw and the hole, the wood where basically the screws gets fitted, will lose the proper contact. So that is the best thing is that you do tighten the screws in every 6 months. That is the only thing that I found. And the other thing is about the color of the cushion is little bit creamy color. It's more of a cream color. And the color, if your house is pretty neat and you are maintaining it is good for you. If you are not able to maintain it, and if you are putting some spitting something or putting some food item on top of this particular cushion, it is quite difficult to maintain it. I would suggest you can open this particular cloth item and then put it on your washing machine to clean it. So that is the thing that I will suggest. If you see here, the place where your legs will be resting, these places will definitely have some dirt accumulated over here. So you are able to see there is little bit of color, which I can see the difference of the color. It's not quite cream, but there is some dirt accumulated. This place will get some dirt. Even on the right hand side and on the left hand side you will get some dirt. And if you are not using it properly, and if you are sitting along with your dirt hand or dirt over here on your hand, and you are putting it on the armrest, because these armrests are also having a cream color, and this is comfort wise, it is really comfort. I will show you from the side view as well. Yeah, see, it is pretty comfortable, guys. And see the gap over here. Even if a person with 100 kg sits on this particular chair, it can definitely handle that particular weight, because it is designed in such a way. The design itself is able to handle the weight of the human being or the person sitting on top of the chair. Okay, see, it is quite comfortable. Even if I am pushing it back, and it is comfortable. The main thing is that you are able to put your head on the headrest, and even for babies you can put your baby on top over here and do the feeding, whatever you want to do. So overall it's a good chair, you can go for it. Make sure you are tightening the screws in every 6 months, and you are cleaning the this particular armrest, and you are cleaning the cloth on top of the chair. I would suggest one more thing to keep the chair clean. I do have a towel over here. You are able to see this towel, and you can use this similar type of towel. Just you can put it on top of this particular cushion, and yeah, you can use any type of towel. So I just put this particular towel, and you're able to see this is quite good, guys. Even if it will cover your leg rest, it will cover your head rest, and it will cover the left and right side. If you want to add some more on the armrest as well, you can definitely go ahead and do that. And I hope this video is helpful, guys, and if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. You will be able to get good videos in the future, and do hit the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you, and thanks for watching.